Gonna try to check into the Mirage again. Computers were down before. Long lines. I already checked in. It is for 1723. And I think it's all the way at the end. I'm on the 20th floor in the Mirage on the end room. And it's a Tower King Volcano room, I think it's called. And here's the room. King size bed. Some dressers. There's also a dresser right in the front. Also have a sitting chair and a workspace. Here's the TV. It's kind of small for the size of the room, I think. And on here by the desk, you also have bunch of charging ports as well as connections to the TV if you want to connect one of your devices to the TV. You have the room service stuff. The bathroom is kind of on the small side. You do have a nice counter, nice mirror with some light around it, magnifying mirror, tub shower combination. And you'll see the door. It's very close to the toilet, so gotta be careful if more than one person's here and you leave the door open and you're sitting there. So it is kind of a tight bathroom. Closets when you walk in here. Standard. Do have an ironing board. Safe. Check out the view. Trump Tower, Treasure Island, the Wynn, Venetian Palazzo. Harrah's over here, the high roller. You do have the fountain, the volcano, I mean. So, pretty good view.